Hi, welcome to the ecobee family. This video walks you through installing the ecobee Power Extender Kit for your Smart Thermostat Essential. If you have any questions during installation, our customer support team is here to help, 7 days a week by phone, email, or live chat. The ecobee Power Extender Kit is used to install the Smart Thermostat Essential when no common wire, also known as C-wire, is present. Check if you have a C-wire by using the ecobee Compatibility Checker. Homes without a common wire can still support the Smart Thermostat Essential with our Power Extender Kit, which is sold separately. The Power Extender Kit is installed at the control board of the furnace or air handler. It is not compatible with dual transformer, fan coil, or communicating unit. To install your Power Extender Kit, you'll need at least R, G, and Y wires from your existing thermostat. The Power Extender Kit works by combining the functions of the R and G wires into a single connection. If you see a W wire, don't worry, it's not needed for installation. Before beginning the installation, make sure to turn the power off. Head to your home's heating and cooling system. Remove the cover panel and locate your thermostat wires. Before disconnecting them, label each wire with the provided white labels and take a photo for reference. Disconnect the R, G, and Y wires from your heating and cooling control board. If there's a W wire, make sure to disconnect it. Ignore any other wires and leave them connected. The Y wire will have 2 wires in it. Only the one Y wire going to the thermostat should be removed. Insert the wires you just disconnected, R, G, Y, and W, into the correct terminals of the Power Extender Kit. Each terminal will lock down when the wire is inserted correctly, ensuring they are secure. Quick tip: give the wires a gentle tug to make sure they are secure. Attach all 5 white-labeled wires from the Power Extender Kit to their corresponding terminal on the control board. Remember, the Y and C control board terminals will have 2 wires. The Power Extender Kit has a magnetic backing for easy mounting near the control board. Quick tip: mount the Power Extender Kit on the side of the system instead of the bottom to avoid potential water damage. Close your heating and cooling cover panel to finish the first step of installing your Power Extender Kit. Next, head back to your old thermostat, remove the cover, and label the wires with the provided green labels. Finally, remove the old wires and unscrew the backplate from the wall. Mount your new thermostat backplate on the wall and pull the wires through. There will be some minor wiring changes once the Power Extender Kit is installed. Note: the R, RC, or RH wire goes into the R terminal. Connect the remaining wires to their terminals on the new thermostat backplate. Insert the wire labeled G wire into the C terminal, the Y wire to the G PEK terminal, and the W into the W1 terminal. Now the wiring is complete. Gently push the smart thermostat onto the backplate. Turn the power back on to the heating and cooling system. Your Smart Thermostat Essential should greet you with a "Hi," which means it's been installed correctly. Now follow the instructions on your thermostat to complete setup, which includes connecting it to your Wi-Fi network and ecobee account so you can control it from your mobile device. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your new smart thermostat. Be sure to check out other ecobee smart devices for more comfort, control, and peace of mind. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.